That's gratitude for you. I work all day trying to keep this house nice for you. I cook and clean and work my fingers to the bone. And this is the thanks I get?
Well, I bust my hump at school all day, and you just sit around here watching soap operas and eating bonbons.
Well, excuse me for having a little fun. Maybe it's because you never take me out anymore.
Well, maybe I would if you fixed yourself up a little bit. Oh, wait a minute. We sound like an old married couple.
So now I'm old. And I gave you the best years of my life.
Look, I'm sorry. All right, look, I'm sorry. Come on, homies.
Don't try and sweet talk me. And if you'll excuse me, I have a headache.
So, do you recognize any of these men?
I was hiding in the bathroom stall, so I didn't see his face, but I heard him. He was singing along to the music at the bar.
Do you remember what he was singing?
I think it was that song, I Want It That Way.
Backstreet Boys, I'm familiar. Okay. Number one, could you please sing the opening to I Want It That Way?
Really? Okay. You are my fire.
Number two, keep it going.
The one desire.
Number three.
Believe when I say.
Number four.
I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Now number five.
I never wanna hear you say,
Woo! I want it that way.
Oh, chills. Literal chills.
It was number 5. Number 5 killed my brother.
Oh my God, I forgot about
Hi, I'm Pablo. My name's Tyrone. I'm Uniqua. I'm Tasha. And my name's Austin. And we're your backyard friends, the backyard together in the backyard again. In the place where we belong, where we'll probably sing a song, and we'll maybe dance along. We've got the whole wide world in our yard to explore. We always find things we've never seen before. That's why every day we're back for more with your friends, the backyard again.
Well, what does it say? It says da-da-di-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Shut up. Ooh, I hate him. To Station Master, Saddle Sword Junction. Clear tracks for special train carrying gold bullion. Gold bullion?
okay, I'll fix it. Tim, Mark, Phil. This is very important. You have to get the little girl a new unicorn toy.
Eh? Papoy? Makala na Papoy. No. Papoy. Ah! Papoy.
Hey, a toy.
Da, Papoy.
Go, and hurry.
What are those?
They are my cousins.